Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your Hisense TV and your mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network, because the protocol discovers devices over LAN. Next, go to the TV settings, find Network or Inputs, and turn on Screen Mirroring or Miracast so the TV advertises itself. Once done, pull down your phone's Quick Settings or open Display Right Arrow Cast and start scanning. This kicks off device discovery and prepares both ends to negotiate a secure connection. After scanning, tap the Hisense name to connect. If the TV shows a PIN, enter it on your phone to confirm ownership and prevent accidental links. Make sure you accept permissions for audio and screen sharing. Some devices also prompt to enable Wi-Fi Direct, allow it for a direct peer connection. Then switch the TV input to the mirroring source and tweak picture settings for lower latency or better clarity, depending on whether you're gaming or streaming video. To finish, disconnect using the cast icon on your phone or exit screen mirroring on the Hisense. This closes the session cleanly and frees network resources. If audio is out of sync, change the TV's audio output to TV speakers or lower the phone's stream resolution to reduce processing delay. And one key troubleshooting tip: if mirroring fails, restart both the TV and your phone, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi band. Then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.